Good afternoon. It is December 1st and you know what that means. It's Vlogmas! Yay! I'm doing this video series once again this year and I'm super excited because it's been a while since I've done a talking to the camera sort of vlog. I'm really excited to see how this year's Vlogmas is going to go. A lot of things have changed, like my hair. So my hours are still unpredictable, so I'm not too sure how this year's Vlogmas is going to play out, but I'm super excited to see what I get up to this year. This is my 4th year doing it, and it's always so much fun to see what I get up to during this time of year. From the clips before, you saw that I went to work at a super early time in the morning, and it was only until now that I came home. So I am slightly tired. I'm not ready for any sort of nap, so I'm actually going to prepare some coffee, and I still have a ton of things to be done, so let's get started. Other than watching Hotel de Luna, I wasn't really that productive today, but that's fine. I was able to prepare my lunch for tomorrow, which is what counts. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon, it is December 2nd, and once again I had work super early in the morning. Now that I'm home, I need to figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of today because I can't do a repeat of yesterday where I just watched Hotel de Luna for, you know, a long time. Binge watching is not the way to live, you guys. So let's figure out what I'm going to do first and get started working on that list. I think I pretty much finished it. The most important thing for me that I really need to get done today is the Paradiso haul video. It's been a really long time since Paradiso has happened, so I really need to get that video out. Other than that, I'll work through this list slowly today. I've already started putting things onto the timeline. I just need to obviously finish the rest of the video and then put in B-roll. Editing's always so much fun, you guys, I swear. It's been 2 hours and I barely have over 3 minutes of a video. I'm gonna go get the mail. I need a break. My neighbors have their lights out. I am really jealous right now. So this is a nice break. I have a package from YesStyle. Let's pop this open. So I basically reordered a few beauty items. This is Etude House Precious Mineral BB Cream. This is the moist version. I usually get the matte, but Etude House doesn't make the matte anymore, so I guess I'm back to trying the moist to see if I like it. I think in the winter I'll be fine, but in the summer it will not be okay to be wearing this BB cream, so if you have any recommendations for a matte BB cream, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you think is the best matte BB cream out there, if there are any. I also picked up 2 of the Etude House Color My Brows brow mascara. This is in Blondie Brown, and because I have blonde hair now, I have to use brow mascara to like lighten up my eyebrows, or else it looks a little too harsh in my opinion. I actually run through these brow mascaras really fast, which is why I purchased 2 this time around. I really love the Etude House brow mascaras. It's one of my favorites. And the one item that I actually got on sale was the 3 Concept Eyes matte lipstick in Mirror Like. This is what the color looks like. I mean, decent looking shade. I want to try this on. What do you think? I usually don't wear matte lipsticks, but this one actually feels quite comfortable and is a shade that pretty much works every day, so I'm gonna try this out and see how I like it. Alright, enough of that. Let's get back to editing. It's 8 o'clock and I just finished the Parody Slow haul video. Woo! So that took about 4.5 hours. Powered through it. Hey! So now I'm just gonna work on a thumbnail while I wait for the video to render, and then I will upload it. Yay! Good morning. As a treat for uploading my video and getting it all done, I am having some cucumbers with soy sauce. And my splurge for today is bread with butter. Woo! I look forward to digging into this, and I don't think I can get anything else done today, so I guess I'll just chill off for the rest of the night by watching Hotel de Luna. Woo! Day, so now it is 11:30. Time to go to bed. Morning, it is December 3rd and I work at 11, so I am gonna finish getting ready and head off to work. Thankfully it's a short shift today, so get to head home early. Yay! Almost done with Hotel de Luna. Only 1 episode left, so I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys then. Good morning everyone, it is December the 4th and I have a lot of things to do this morning, which included picking up bagels and shoveling the driveway because it snowed last night. You're in Canada and it's snow. Anyways, I don't have work until 11 p.m. today. That's right, you heard me right. It is an overnight shift, so I basically have the whole day to do whatever I'd like, which will probably consist of me binge watching Hotel de Luna. I am almost done, which is always so exciting. I'm gonna go do that because I have an obsession that can't be stopped. Hi. Hi. So I just finished Hotel de Luna and oh my gosh, what a decent ending. I'm so glad I finally finished that. So now I can concentrate on some real work, such as putting together the first bits of Vlogmas, because if I don't start editing now, it's gonna take me forever to edit the rest. So let's get started. I'm gonna put on the makeup for today. It's just gonna be super light, natural makeup. Not too many steps. I'm just gonna basically cover my face just because I'm really self-conscious about my acne scars and active pimples that I have on my face right now. After that, I'm gonna pack my lunch bag and prepare some coffee for the beginning of a night shift. Good afternoon. I just woke up from a 4-hour nap. 4 hours is a little bit better than having no sleep overnight. Whenever I do night shifts, I get like terrible cravings. So I might be after some fried chicken today. Anyways, I need to figure out what I need to get done for today. So let's do that first. Alright guys, that is it for the first installment of Vlogmas. Thanks for watching the first video in this Vlogmas series, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!